Hello guys, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to show you how to create a database and how to drop a database. Right. So I have already opened SQL Server Management Studio, right? And in this uh, so I have already select a master database, right? You can we have different collections of different type of data master mode, like tempdb, msdb master. Usually we can select a master database, right? And suppose I need to create a database, then we you simply use a create keyword. So create and put a database, and you can name the database. So you can write it name of the database based on your requirement, right? And based on your project. Suppose you are working on online examination center, then you can put the database like examination centers and hotel managements and healthcare project, e-commerce project. So based on the requirement you can put the database, but right now I'm a huge demo name demo db, demo test db, right? So you can see that. So once I execute that particular, you can use right, execute, or you can use f5 keywords, right? So I can use execute, then you can see that command completed successfully. And once I refresh that particular object explorer sensor, then you can see that demo test db is created. And now if you want to delete a database, right? So or also if you want to use a particular database, then we can use create a use keywords and put the database name. So you can see that where you can select the master database, but once you use keyword, then you can see that use uh, the demo test db should be reflected on that particular sections. And so once you select the demo test db, that particular sections, so these are interface related to the demo test db sections. So here you can create a table. So if you create a table under this, then the table should be reflected on the table sections, right? So next I want to like drop the test demo db, right? I don't want to use that particular database. I want to drop that things. Then we can use a different commands. So I just select that command. So anything, if you want to perform some operational to the data, then you need to select a master db, right? So I just select the master db, and then use a command drop database and put the name of the database and execute that particular commands. Here you can see that commands completed successfully. So still you can see that test demo db, but once I refresh that object explorer, you can see that test demo db will be deleted. So these are the basic commands you can use while creating or projects or formalizing your database. So thank you for this watching video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.